Hey my lovely, so today I'm gonna review this bag right here from Amrutam. I have received two products from Amrutam. One is Kuntal Care Hair Spa and another one is Charcoal Mask. This brand is completely Ayurvedic and herbal. Kuntal Care Spa comes in a plastic bottle with metal cap. It is a do-it-yourself spa, so it's like hassle free, and the charcoal mask comes in a glass jar with a golden metal lid. And you all know how much I love charcoal products, so let's just get started with the review. But before that, make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So this is how my hair looks like at the moment, very frizzy, dry and dehydrated. One thing you need to know whenever you use any hair care products like mask or pack, make sure your scalp is not dirty. Now let's just start the application. So this is a clear plastic bottle with a golden cap, and it's a 200 ml bottle. All the instructions and ingredients are written on it, and it's a 649 rupees bottle. But check out the link in the description, you will definitely get discounts. Now, if I talk about the texture and consistency, it has a creamy little sticky texture. It's like a gel moisturizer, I don't know. And it has a very strong smell because it has trifula, bhringraj, eucalyptus oil, balchad and kapur-kachari. I hope I'm pronouncing everything properly. Eucalyptus oil is nilgiri, which has a strong aroma. You all should know because everyone has applied mehendi in a family function. So these are the ingredients which makes our hair very strong and healthier. You can take out in a bowl or something and apply it with a brush or applicator, but I like to part my hair and apply little by little. You wanna apply this all over your scalp. Try to reach each and every part of your scalp. So bhringraj stimulates hair growth and prevents hair graying. Kapur-kachari makes your hair look beautiful, and also it is useful for scalp and hair care. Balchad improves blood circulation in the scalp, thereby reducing hair whitening. Kuntal Care Hair Spa, it's a do-it-yourself hair mask for revitalizing and strengthening of your hair. Once the application is done, massage a little bit and tie your hair into a bun, and you can leave it up to 30 to 40 minutes. And the best part is you can keep this overnight. This is the first hair product I've ever seen which you can keep overnight. So now, as we have to wait for the spa to process, let's apply the charcoal mask. This is a glass bottle with a metal golden lid. I really love the packaging. So the mask is of 150 grams and it's of 1000 something rupees, 1100. And the mask looks like this. This you can apply it with a brush, but I am used to applying by my hands. Apply a very good layer and spread evenly, leaving your eye area and lips area. It has herbs like manjishta mixed with multani mitti and charcoal, which clears dirt, toxins, heavy metals and chemicals of our skin. Guava and chironji and marriage remove tan. I don't know how I'm pronouncing. If I'm pronouncing wrong, then please excuse me. It removes tan, burn marks and detoxifies, and it is suitable for all skin type, which is the best part. So now after the application, you want to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. It will not take too long. It will dry out, and I'll see you once it is dried. So it's been 15 minutes and it's nicely dried. So you want to wet your face and slightly exfoliate your skin. Rinse off the mask with a cold water and ta-da! I really love it. Charcoal is like my go-to. Effectively, it cleanses the skin, unclogs pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. The result is very smooth, supple and even toned skin. You can see. Now let's wait for the hair, and I will be back after my hair wash. Rinse your hair as you normally do, shampoo and conditioner. You can use Amrutam herbal shampoo for the best results. Hey, I'm back! First thing, while rinsing my hair, it didn't take me too long to rinse out the spa. It cleared out pretty soon and I had very less hair fall than usual. And they are not at all detangled even in wet condition. Let me quickly give a cold setting blow dry to my hair and then I will show you the actual result. Firstly, let me show you before and after. Now, my hair feels amazing, my hair smells amazing, and you can see my hair looks pretty smooth and shiny. In just one use, my hair feels more healthier, and I just use around 30 to 40 ml for my long and thick hair. So this bottle is gonna last long. If you are thinking it is costly, then no, it is actually budget friendly. I really loved it and I truly recommend it to you all. The product links are there in the description box, so do check out and I will suggest you just get it. So this was my review about these two products. I hope I made justice to these products. Let me know if you have tried this and what was your review about it in the comment box. Make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.